Bill Goudy checking in. I'm with Bill Goudy Jr. And we're gonna, it's a cloudy, rain is coming day, you know, but we're gonna brave the elements and see if we can go out and catch us a fish or two. Come along with us, check it out. What you got there, breakfast?
Yeah, a little breakfast pizza. I ordered the large slice of pizza.
That's a large slice. Got a deal on that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Awesome. We're headed up to, I don't know, what do they call that, Dodgeville?
Big Hollow.
Big Hollow Lake. It's north of Burlington. And it's by a little town called Dodgeville. And they called it originally the Franklin Township Lake Site many, many years ago. And we're going to try to squeeze this in before the rain comes. I don't know if we can make it or not, but give it a try. We didn't make it. What's the temp?
61.
61 degrees. Look, we're at the boat ramp. And we didn't beat the rain. It's coming down pretty steady right now. We got a rain gear. We're just trying to decide whether to brave it or not to brave it. And you know, we'll give it a few minutes and see what happens. It's supposed to rain all day. What does it look like on the radar?
It's struggling to. I got 4G, but it's a.
Oh yeah, it doesn't work very good out here.
Yeah.
But they say they got Wi-Fi out here now. I wonder if it's free. I don't know. You're not a camper.
Wanting to show you how nice it works.
Yeah, we're braving the elements again, and what? 2 fish in the boat already, but they were dinks, little dinks. And we'll see. What an adventure! I'm telling you. Crankbait. How long do you think he is?
He's
14
inches probably. $14.25.
14 and a quarter. You got to be 15. He was right in that snag right there, wasn't he?
Yeah.
I thought you were snagged up at first. I thought, uh-oh, you got it right out of there.
Just popped up a catfish.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Well, that just made him about a pound lighter, didn't it? He's hungry.
Oh man. What just popped out of his mouth?
About half digested catfish, isn't it?
Look at the belly on that guy. He's been eating little catfish.
Yeah.
Oh, nope. 14 and a half.
Isn't that something? Take 2. Yeah, we've been here about, what, 5-10 minutes?
Yeah.
Just Probably about a 14 inch maybe.
What'd you catch that on?
Grass frog. If I can get him, I just got him hooked by a whisker. And he don't even have a whisker, but
Yeah.
barely got him hooked. Those are sharp. That's a sharp hook. Ah, come on.
That's a spro.
Bro.
Spro frog.
All right. Well, that was fun. How many fish do you think we caught?
40 at least.
Easy.
Probably. Yeah. A ton on the grass frog too, so that's always
They were
even more fun.
in Iowa. They don't have a slot, but you have to catch. They got to be over 15 inches if you're going to keep any. But we caught a ton of fish that were 14 to 14 and a half inches long.
Yeah,
they were nice little footballs. But you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not.
That's bass thumb.
Yeah, it is bass thumb. That's from on holding the bass. What do you think the biggest fish was we caught?
It's 15 and a half inches.
Well,
Yeah.
and, how many do you think we got over 15?
5.
Just 5. And we got about 40 fish, and only 5 out of the 40 were over the 15-inch limit. And then in Iowa, I think you can only keep 3. Is that right? 3 per person?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you don't only get to keep 3 anyway if you're just bass fishing.
Today, I mean, the water temperature has dropped, so the fish are getting active and they've moved back into the shallows and stuff. So you got to weed through those 14 and a half inches to get to the bigger ones. You could move out a little deeper and flip your beaver and stuff like that and target bigger fish, but you're not going to get as many bites. And
Did you have fun?
We're looking to have a good time.
Did you have fun?
That's what I'm talking about.
For a rainy day, for a crappy, cold, rainy day, we had fun.
Exactly. When you're catching them on a frog, I don't care if they're 12 inches long. They're blasting that thing and you're ripping them. That is super fun. I can't put that frog down.
We were catching them through the moss, duckweed and the moss, and we were throwing that frog out over and dragging it back. And the bass would blow a hole through that, and you get a lot of hits that they hit behind or they just don't get it all the way, and it gets your heart racing. It surely does. But you know what? As cold and rainy as it was, it sure was fun. All right, well, thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Goudy out.